Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at the Tipico puzzle. This puzzle was designed and made by Vinco or Václav Obshivač, a famous Czech puzzle designer who creates wooden puzzles. Difficulty level of the Tipico puzzle is 10 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to place all the pieces inside the box. This puzzle has 18 parts. And there are 6 wooden balls, there are 6 parts of this size and 6 parts of this size. And in total, they look like a huge pile of parts that is totally impossible to put inside. Since if you try to just throw them in, you will find that you will have a lot of parts left and there is no space inside. But if you find the correct way to organize the parts inside of the box, you will be able to fit all of them flush inside of the box. This puzzle is made from different kinds of wood and it is made in a style of Vinco. He usually creates this, he has his own style, and when you see a puzzle you can definitely say that it was made and designed by Vinco. If you like the Tipico puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.